How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up CapCut. Then tap on add a new video right over here. Then select a video from your gallery. Now inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on effects. Then tap on video effects. Now use the search bar to search for blur. And then select any blur effect you want to add on your video. Then tap onto it one more time to adjust the opacity. After that, simply tap on the tick mark and just like that extend the blur effect all over the video. Now after that, simply tap on the main video, scroll these options and then tap on duplicate. Select the duplicated video, scroll below, then tap on overlay. Now click and hold the video and drag it so both video plays at the same time. After that, select the overlaid video, scroll these options and then tap on mask. Now choose any shapes you want to blur and then tap on invert and just like that adjust the size of the blur area to cover the face or any numbers. After it is covered, as you scrub through the video, you will notice that the blur does not follow the face. So for that, we'll need to add a keyframe. Tap on this keyframe icon. Now move the blur effect. After that, adjust it to the face and then move it again. And just like that, follow the same step again and again. And once it's done, you will see that now the blur will follow the video as well. When you're happy with it, tap on the tick mark. And just like that, simply tap on export. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.